facing, quote, an unprecedented humanitarian catastrophe after Israel ordered more than 1 million Palestinians, almost half of the territory's population, to move south. How have things developed over the weekend and into early Monday? Let's get an update then from Bloomberg's Oliver Cook in Tel Aviv. Oliver, good morning. Take us through the latest developments then as the week kicks off.
That's right, and when we left it on Friday, there was still some ambiguity in the sense that they had not been confirmed by the Israeli government that they were planning to necessarily move in, although it was widely expected as in terms of the ground force. This weekend we heard that the next phase of this is going to have an air, sea, and land component. So that is one of the updates that we got through the weekend. And through the weekend, we also had sort of safe corridors established throughout a few hours, Saturday, Sunday, meaning that they would not bomb certain areas in order to allow civilians to move south. And we have one again established this morning between 8 a.m. and noon. But of course, the situation in Gaza is very, very, very dire. There are 2,600 dead, according to the authorities there, and that after the 1,300 to 1,400 Israelis that were killed last Saturday, mostly civilians. And the question now is aid. Can aid get through? Currently, nothing can get through into Gaza. There is a southern point at Gaza and Egypt, or Rafah, which perhaps may begin to have signs of opening up after Antony Blinken's discussions across the Middle East with leaders there. But really, we had Chuck Schumer, Mitt Romney, and a sort of set of senators who came here yesterday. Again, lending their full support to Israel with occasional notes of saying that really how Israel responds is going to be critically important. And of course, that press conference last night was even also delayed by air sirens that were going off in Tel Aviv.
I know that you touched on the diplomacy of Antony Blinken, whirlwind diplomacy across the region, back in Tel Aviv later today, back in Israel later today. What are his top priorities at this point, Holly?
That's right. So he was in Tel Aviv on Thursday, right? He's gone to Jordan, he's gone to Qatar, he's gone to the Emirates, he has gone to Saudi Arabia, he has gone to Egypt, and he's back in Jordan, expected to come back to Tel Aviv today. So really the main objectives from the United States right now is to contain escalation, to get some aid into Gaza, but also to deal with the hostage situation. In terms of hostage negotiations, they're obviously not divulging a lot about that. There have been some back-channel discussions with through Iran and other sort of players to try to see if they can release some of the hostages. In terms of aid, again, as I mentioned, there's going to potentially be an opening at the Rafah border with the southern Gaza and Egypt to potentially get some of the aid and get some of the foreigners out. But then there's this question of escalation, right, which is a two-pronged conversation. One, on the one hand, with Iran and Hezbollah and having potentially this spill over to a second front war in the north, but also the discussions that are going to be in the United States with Israel and Israeli leadership about how they go about dealing with Hamas and the means that they do that, because it is being closely watched everywhere in the Arab world. Yesterday, Mitt Romney said that everything that comes out of Gaza, all the images you're going to see are Hamas's fault. That is not the view that is going to be seen in the Arab world and around the world. We've seen that from protests, and that is going to be the fine line that the Secretary of State has to tread today when he is in Israel.
Oliver, thanks very much. Bloomberg's Oliver Cook in Tel Aviv. We continue to watch that diplomatic action that's taking place in the Middle East there, and indeed the violence taking place in Gaza. Mark, let's come to you then and settle this aside for a moment and think about where this leaves the market. We see, in terms of market appetite then, a slight sense of more risk on. Yes, Asia is negative, but US futures point a little higher, the dollar is on the back foot, bonds are being sold off a little bit. And actually we're seeing just in the early hours of European trade, natural gas prices coming lower, not by a huge amount by their standards. That's a very volatile spot price, of course. But when we think about how this plays into markets, oil is the most obvious place to look. I wonder what your thoughts are on where oil heads from here. As Tom was saying, $90 is where we trade right now.
It's really all quite binary on what happens next out of the Middle East. The context here is that we went into the weekend pricing a lot of nerves. This market were very, very tense about how developments might happen over the weekend. Many people expected that the ground invasion of the Gaza Strip might occur over the weekend, and therefore positions were reduced and people were paying for that kind of risk premium. As we go into Monday, there's a slight pricing of, okay, that hasn't happened yet. The worst case fears for the weekend haven't yet happened. We're aware it's still a very, very tense situation. And yet there's a slight bit of relief pricing there. I think at the moment, though, it's really how developments go. And I guess the sense I'm trying to convey is that we're pricing quite a bit of a risk premium. That doesn't mean that it can't get much, much worse than it, because there's so much uncertainty about how things develop. But if we see kind of signs of some of that back channel diplomacy working with Iran, with Israel, maybe kind of curtailing some of the events that are expected to happen to some extent, that means some relief might come back into broader global markets that will happen more slowly and more appealing.
And we certainly keep an eye on the movements of Anthony Blinken and possibly then President Biden, because that seems to be having an influence on people's expectations for when and how things might happen. So we watch those developments very, very carefully. In other geographies, China in focus, the PBOC providing a large medium-term cash injection. But is there anything to see here, Mark? Is the geopolitics around the US and China still more important than that kind of activity?
Yeah, look, I think people are ultimately disappointed. This MLF net injection is not going to be enough. We've got an economy here where there's no animal spirits, and so therefore whatever you do on the kind of lending credit side, there's just not really the kind of demand there at the moment. This is an economy where people just aren't making more business investment. They're nervous about the backdrop. They're nervous about the deleveraging process that started several years ago, and they're nervous about the geopolitical situation in terms of the US-China. And we thought that was getting slightly better, but of course then we had the weekend news that in fact there might be more curves posted on China chip firms, which interesting enough have been one of the performers relative to global peers in the chip space. So there's nothing at the moment that's still trading changing the China story, and in fact it continues to trade more negatively long term. How is that going to change? That's when it's not going to change. I have been wrong expecting this for a long period of time. I'm not expecting any imminent change in the next month or so.
Mark, thanks for the call so far. Remember, you can get up to date analysis and insight from Mark and the rest of the Markets Line team, the foreign geopolitics and everything else for you. MLI UK is the most interviews on your Bloomberg terminal. Tom?
Okay, away from the geopolitics, some other big events for you this week. Lots of data coming through this week, lots of earnings as well, of course, after the bank earnings on Friday out of the US, at least some earnings, including JP Morgan. Later this morning, the focus will turn, for at least one in the UK, at 9:30 UK time, to the BOE's Chief Economist Hugh Hill, speaking on the economic outlook at the official monetary financial institutions forum. We'll see if this is anything else. We do have that important data in terms of the labour data, wage data out of the UK, CPI and retail sales as well. So whether or not it gives us more of a guide in terms of where the BOE goes next is going to be interesting, given that we have that data come through this week as well. Meanwhile, US earnings touched on this, getting into full swing really this week, bringing you all the headlines, of course, after the beats that came through from JP Morgan and other other banks on Friday, with DLR, Goldman Sachs and others coming through on Tuesday. Tomorrow we get that US retail thing as well, and for the importance of the UK investor, that UK labour data, so the focus on wages in particular, as we weigh out the inflationary pressures here in the UK, where the Bank of England goes next. And on Wednesday then, tying into that story, we do get the official UK inflation data for September out of the UK. Plus, we touched on China. Mark was talking about the liquidity injections coming through. China's GDP figures coming out on Wednesday. Arguably more important, retail sales, industrial production and fixed asset investment as well coming through on that day to round out the picture in terms of just how much softness is coming through from China, or whether indeed a floor is being put under the growth picture of the world's second largest economy. And on Thursday, Fed Chair Jerome Powell speaks at the Economic Club of New York. Also, we get US existing home sales data, and on Friday, Japanese inflation data is due. Also, we get UK retail sales as well. So we're looking at the consumer health in the US, also in the UK, and some important speakers in the world of central banking now.
Okay, yeah, absolutely. So there's lots of data coming out of China, there's data out of the UK then, Mark. But I wonder what we're going to find out about the US and the strength of the consumer there. We saw the University of Michigan sentiment data that was below estimates on Friday, and crucially revealed some higher inflation expectations. We get retail sales this week, expecting that to drop back a little, 0.6% down to 0.3% in terms of the month-on-month. What do you expect from the US consumer?
Yeah, US consumer still remains my absolute focus. I should say on the University of Michigan, as I mentioned before, the inflation expectations reading there really is just a terrible guide. But the consumer sentiment one is important. Now, retail sales is for September. We have talked for a couple of months now that we expected the US consumer to remain much more resilient than most people think for most of this year. and then kind of fall off a cliff towards the end of this year. Student loans come back online. That's now been accelerated by the higher oil prices, by the fact that we might have another government shutdown in November, and of course we're getting those strikes. I think that September is the window we're starting to look for that consumer weakness to show up. It is potentially slightly too early. It might be another month away. And it is this, we're getting September data tomorrow. So this will be interesting to see whether the consumer has already gone off a cliff, or do you still have to wait another month or two for that US weakness to come through quite strong.
Okay, so that's the US story. Coming up on this programme, we're focusing on European politics as well. Coming up, exit polls show that Poland's pro-EU opposition is on track for a majority. We'll get the latest results. Plus, the US is said to be planning to further tighten curbs on China's access to advanced semiconductors and chip making. We'll get all of the details. If you have any questions for our guests, please get in touch. IB plus TV goes for functions to use on the Bloomberg terminal to speak to the team that discovered the programme. And if you want to keep across the markets today blog, then go to the Bloomberg UK website. You can click through to it from there. The TLIB Globe is a function to use on the Bloomberg terminal. This is Winter. Grandfather got into the mutual fund business because the average investor could not get a diversified stock portfolio, and it was too dangerous to put, your entire savings in just a couple of companies. So the mutual fund was created to give a diversified exit management at a reasonable price. Today, we have a phenomenon where companies are waiting much longer to go public. And so in 2000, the average company went public after 3 years. Now, these are really 9 to 10 years because there's so much money available in the private markets. As a matter of fact, there are half the number of public companies that there were in 2000, and there's 5 times the number of private equity backed companies. So just an investment in the private markets, and it's significantly bigger. So the question is, that return that used to be captured in the public market is now captured in the private market. But the problem, as you know, is you're really tied up for a long time when you invest in private equity. And so trying to figure out a way to solve the same problem my grandfather was trying to solve, which is how do you bring those returns responsibly, the democratization of the private markets to the retail investors. And I described it a bit of like running with scissors. Scissors is a great tool if you use it appropriately. And so we're focused on trying to figure out responsibly bringing it in to the average investor.
Suppose somebody is watching and says, I want to be Harry Mann when I grow up. What should somebody do to get into the talent agency business or the business you're in?
Well, it's hopefully what I taught my kids. You gotta be intellectually curious. You gotta show up. And you know this will happen. I got on a lot of books. Even though that voice in your head is saying, oh, you gotta show up. You gotta be charmingly relentless. You have to build emotional endurance because there's no straight line of success if you kind of all over. It doesn't matter. Just build a clean years of it. And then I think one of the things that I do every week is I try to create sanity.
Markets today, 18 minutes past 7, so around 40 minutes away from the cash exit result. The European futures now pointing to modest gains of about 0.2%. Oil steady today after posting its largest weekly gain in more than a month. It was pronounced particularly on Friday. This is the US steps up diplomatic efforts to contain the conflict in the Middle East. Joining us now is Dan Borden-Weston, CEO and CIO at BRI Wealth Management. Dan, good morning. Thank you for joining us. How much geopolitical risk is priced in at this point?
I think markets have have been pretty quick to try and see what's been happening in the Middle East over the last week. It will be interesting to see, as and when the ground invasion comes in Israel, whether that's elicited a response from Hezbollah or other players in the region, and whether markets have to reprice once again if there's a risk of this spiralling to something slightly bigger.
Dan, apart from oil, what are you kind of looking at as the best market metric for judging where the reaction is here? Is it gold, or is it the dollar, is it the treasuries? How are you, through a market lens, how are you kind of seeing the reactions here?
We're looking at treasuries a lot. We clearly saw treasuries come off from their 16-year highs last week as people repriced the risk, geopolitical risk that we're seeing at the moment. And so I think that would be key. I think in the short to medium term, that would be interesting to see how the narrative of higher oil price actually feeds into those treasuries and sort of safe haven status. Because if oil continues to move further upwards, then that clearly plays with the overall market narrative when it comes to interest rates and higher for longer. And will only be more rate rises this year. But we're looking at treasuries as the main gauge.
Right, yes, and thinking about inflation and the impact on inflation, Dan, and back to oil, I suppose. Bloomberg Economics talking about the possibility of oil going to $150 a barrel if we were to see Iran and Israel come into direct conflict with each other. I mean, are these kinds of numbers, are they the kinds of numbers that you're thinking about?
It's difficult to put a number on it, but I think if there is a blow-up in the region and a wider escalation of tensions, then oil would be firmly above $100 a barrel, and that, as I say, has quite serious impacts for interest rates.
So quite nice along from the
And I think market would be in for a pretty
Sydney bottom,
if this does continue to
from
escalate.
the storyline.
At which the Fed has to sit up and take notice of this conflict, of these events unfolding in the
I
Middle East,
wanna
or can
see
the
if
Fed
we can
continue
go to
to move forward with
200.
geopolitics?
I think that's a really good question. I think it depends on how the next sort of few weeks is evolved, but actually to do this as sort of a temporary issue, or whether this is going to have more medium to long-term consequences on the overall rate of inflation. We clearly had the September data recently, which was slightly above where people wanted it to be, and I think if oil prices keep moving higher, then this is going to make their job tougher, and they will need to address this.
Can we go above the value area again? Like 92, 200 ideally.
Basis points of inversion between the 2 years, 10 years part of the curve. Do you think we see ongoing steepening because higher oil prices means that we're going to see obviously higher inflation, maybe stickier inflation, but of course higher oil prices also might mean we might see lower growth and therefore the Fed react quicker than something. So is it further steepening, or is that the wrong way to see this?
Yeah, it's a good question. I think we probably will see further steepening, but I think it's such a challenging, even before what we've seen in the Middle East over the last week, it's such a challenging economic, monetary policy, inflation landscape at the moment, and adding this into the mix makes it even more complicated to really know over the short to medium term how things are going to react. The world is in a pretty precarious place from an economic perspective, and things have only got more cloudy over the last week, and I suspect that's likely to continue as the weeks and months roll on.
And Dan, how do you view the growth story in China with that we have
Hello.
China due this week? I know you've spoken in the past about
What's
how
up?
stocks are there.
It's okay, you?
Protection on display on this front as well.
I'm good, just a little tired.
Over the weekend, the US moved
You tired? I didn't sleep at all.
technology to China. How do you
So I'm not tired.
Yeah.
Alexa, volume down.
How was your night shift?
It was okay, quite boring.
Boring.
Yeah, very boring. I was thinking that it will be nice because I will see how it's trading the Asia, because last day or two was quite nice Asia market, but now it was a horrible. Luckily I opened a short on gold and a short on what's the name of it, oil, so that trade was okay. Whatever I was opening on NQ, it was like few points, that's it. Now I am in a long and I am 30 points up.
Nice. On NQ?
Yeah, 27 points up. Okay.
Switching focus to the UK, and I know you have on
You went long, okay.
On a storyline.
The stop.
and a bit of upside maybe coming through for UK.
Okay, that's nice. That's nice.
On a tick up and a pick up in M&A.
I'm fucking mad at myself because yesterday at like 3 a.m. I took a long and I added another mini and I fucking chickened out and took 2 points. So I mean, $80, so can't complain. But then there was a giant like 10-point candle on Asia session and it went up to almost 90.
There
And I
was
was like,
30
it was
points
like
more.
2 minutes after. I was like, that's $800 right there, and I just took 80. And I'm like, I couldn't watch it anymore because I was like, all right, fuck this, I'm gonna go to bed. And then right after, I just looked like 2 minutes after, and then it's up at 20 points from my entry at 70.
Yeah, I
Oh
think
god,
so.
I
We
was
should
so
go a bit
annoyed.
higher before we drop later today. Because everybody's shorting now to fill this gap.
But I mean, I made like a quick $200 yesterday. It's nice.
Come on, oil drop. Gold was amazing with the drop.
Really? I haven't looked at gold.
Yeah, gold was so nice with the drop.
Looks like it's going to be a pretty slow week, I think, unless there's any earnings or anything
Yeah.
coming up.
No, there is a lot of earnings. I send you the calendar. There are nice
Oh,
earnings.
let me look. Actually, then.
Surely there will be you will be surprised. There will be few nice things.
Okay, yeah. The most anticipated earnings. Wait, no, that's from last week. One second. Oh wait, 20. No, okay, I see. No.
Banks
Holy
today too.
shit, we
Banks,
got
Tesla.
Oh, okay. Fuck. That's more important to me than news.
Yeah, this is what I'm saying. This calendar for me in the last quarter are the best always. So
Yeah, this is gonna decide probably the market move for the next 3 months. Tesla, U.S. Bank, or okay. Apple, but Apple it's a little farther away.
yeah.
But this week Tesla's big because NQ
Netflix.
Tesla affects NQ kind of a lot, right?
Yeah. But we've got the Tesla, we've got the Netflix, so there is a quite a lot of earnings.
Yeah. AT&T, I mean, it's all pretty big companies, to be honest. Coca-Cola, Verizon, those will also be pretty big. Meta's always huge. Meta, IBM. Oh gosh, yeah, there's a lot of shit here. The most important, I think the most important one will be that, it has to be either the Apple or the Tesla, personally for me. I think they're going to be looking at that. Usually Apple's the most important earnings, but I don't really care about Apple, so.
It's aftermarket orders, I really like them.
Is Tesla tomorrow? Oh no, it's 2 days, okay.
Come on, oil. I know where you need to drop, you still got a little bit more.
We have like no earnings today though. Just like Charles, I mean, a couple, but. Was that drop last week on Friday due to the earnings?
I believe so, they were just positioning for the banks.
I don't understand how it would have been. I thought it was going to be a bullish move.
I love it so much that
We've got this and it's digitized, and so the orders come in, and they're really pretty staged so that if you say at noon, I want to come in at 1 o'clock, we hold that order, and we will send it through like maybe.
Come on, can you go a bit higher? We just stuck today here. Value area. We got higher, lower. Don't allowing us to go anywhere.
A lot of it is, it's part science. We're trying to bring more science, more AI into it. Because if you get the right sales projection, then you know exactly what your staff
Push it.
needs to do. So if you get the sales right, you can get the entire restaurant staff perfectly. With just a couple people, our average restaurant now does about over $1 million per restaurant in digital sales.
Look like we need to wait for London. Nothing happened before London.
I doubt anything will happen with London. London's been really slow lately. I miss the days where London has like a nice 100-point clean move. But that was last Friday actually. I caught the short in London. That was very nice. It was a good day on Friday actually to trade.
Yeah.
It was very nice movement both ways.
192, come on. I don't need much more. Give me 192 for now at least. Adam will be pissed off if we go to 190 because he got stop loss at 85 or 87.
Is that the 15-minute WMA? That's why?
Yeah, this is why I want the price to go there and then we'll see. But we can. It could be one of these days that till the sellers will come in, the price will be slowly going up.
Yeah.
There is a gap,
my guess is we don't do much until the Tesla earnings, I would say. We're probably going to wait today and tomorrow, and then Wednesday it'll be a nice move. I think we're just going to be ranging, because they're just going to wait for the earnings.
Yeah.
I don't know. It'll be interesting to see. Tesla's one of those companies where it's like it doesn't matter what the fuck they report. Like you can't even look at that. You can't even look at Tesla. It's like they report good earnings and their stock tanks. They report bad earnings and it goes up. So everyone who tries to play Tesla earnings always gets destroyed. Don't you think it's like that with earnings?
I don't care what they will be showing. I really don't care if they're showing good, bad, or shitty. I just putting the one order at the top, the other account at the bottom, and price filling me in, giving me my points, and I'm walking away. I don't want to be in a chop.
I know, but I'm saying like to everyone that plays the earnings calls, like with options, like buying puts and calls is so stupid because that's such a gambling mentality.
Yeah, that's like giving money away.
Yeah, it's like you're just throwing money to the fucking market on like what you expect. It's a 50-50 chance you're right. So.
Oh my back.
Might as well go to the casino and put it on black or red on roulette.
Yeah, the spread is better. Put on green.
Probably, yeah.
If you wanna gamble, put on green, and at least you will have amazing spread if you win.
Box saying that this may be the most dangerous time the world has seen in decades, that he was taking into account expectations and developments in energy markets, food markets, trade, geopolitics, all of these things affected, he said, a war in Ukraine, of course.
You have a good weekend though.
Yeah, had some friends visiting. So we
That's
done some
nice.
hiking. Yesterday I done this cold water swimming in a lake, so that was interesting. Oh,
Nah, I prefer hot showers.
no. There is there is a group of the people which they meeting every week, so I will join them now. But as I mentioned to you, I want to build something for myself, so I can do it whenever I want to.
Yeah.
Come on.
What are some of the contingencies that businesses operating in the region can start to put in place in this environment? What is your advice to them at this point?
I don't like that movement.
What was that? That just big move during Asia session. I was like, whoa, what the
Yeah,
like
I don't know. It
the
was 30 points. I don't know what the fuck
60.
it was.
Yeah, it was 30 points. I was like, what the hell? I'm so glad I didn't short that.
I shorted. Don't
You
remind
shorted
me.
it?
Before the move happened.
Oh yeah, I did, but then I took 6 points and then
I took 12.
got
I
nice,
wasn't fast enough to close it.
nice.
So not nice. I took 12 points minus.
Oh shit! I thought you took 12 points. Fuck.
Yeah, as a lost.
Oh, that nice. It's alright, you'll make it back.
Yeah.
Probably already made it back.
Almost. Not there yet, but almost done. The oil need to go a little bit lower and then a bit higher, and I will be very happy. Ooh, yes, I closed the ES too early because usually ES it's slow, and today less ES is the ES and YM the first one up.
Time spans are we talking about now? Forgetting not
A lot of people were talking about that move on gold. That was a fucking monstrous move. That hasn't happened in a while with gold.
Gold, yeah, but gold like gold. But what was the move about? The best move was not gold, but what's the name of it? Oil. Oil was amazing.
Oil was, but yeah. I don't know. I think I'm bullish until really 15,300. But be careful if you're in long, because
I just remove one position, so
yeah,
my
nice.
account is green, and I'm break even
Nice.
plus profit.
Yeah, we got the 38% fib, and then we're expensive. But
Maybe I close it too early, but I don't give a fuck because we come so many times here today.
yeah, it was a good area to close it. I don't know how much higher this can. But candles just turned green though. Actually, I didn't even look at that.
Now I can watch the screen relaxed. Fuck's sake, it's so
Yeah.
cold.
And the assessment, presumably, for the lawmakers in Europe as well, in terms of how they position themselves in their support, the broad support for Israel, with some of the context, of course. Do you expect, is that so far...
I told you I've been experimenting with the contrarian candles, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been loving them actually to like stay out like when to like not to short against the trend. That has helped me, or like not to long against trend has. I look at back testing. I did a lot of back testing, and I mean, there's obviously some downsides to the candles, but it can really tell you when we're trending to stay the fuck out of the move if you're not in it.
And
You know?
contrary, and I know that very well. Now they click
Yeah.
on. So
Are
let's.
y'all long or
Hello, hello. Yes, so I'm long from 42.
Geez, 42.
Well, I don't know. I was trying to do back testing and then I tried to do my account and it didn't. I'm just losing up a storm. So I don't know what I'm doing.
Why?
I don't know. I mean, I went short right here at 75 again and.
Don't go now, because if they testing it now, they testing it for the reason. You see that whole night we range here between. We just grab liquidity before the Frankfurt from the bottom. Now they will be going to the top. I looking for 200 as my TP from the last contract.
Yeah, 200, 190.
196. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, then I guess I have to get out because I'm already losing $800.
Fuck, right. Start Excel.
What? Well, how are you losing 800? Did you go with
Because
like
I already did a short and I lost, and then I went in again short and I lost, and I'm losing. So that's 2 trades.
Yeah, I wouldn't try to short right here because, like Koltun said, they exactly what they did is grab liquidity and then they probably come to test 190 is Asia session high, or right? 190.
Yeah, they will break the Asia session high with few points.
Yeah, they will break 8. Yeah.
If they can stay above, they will stay above. If not, then we'll drop below. But for now, I expecting for us to go bit higher. We got some more earnings from the banks today, and when they will be releasing, then the price will drop.
Okay, let me.
That's interesting. Usually it's the other way around.
Right.
You saw what happened on Friday. Same scenario.
Yeah, I know.
And I told you Friday, look only for shorts.
That was weird. I know you did. I was looking for shorts too. I just that first 30 minutes in New York, my account just kept getting destroyed because I kept getting stopped out on those like 20 points up, 20 points down, and then finally the move went, and I missed out on like 250 points. So I was very fucking mad on Friday. Not a good end to the week, but.
And right now is not even a good time to get in long because it's already too high.
Now it's not the best time to go.
Wait, don't get in anything. Just stay out.
Well, I just reset everything a little while ago. That's why I'm up.
Well, so you got contrary candles just clicked on, so I'm not gonna try to short this shit.
They can spend another 3 hours going like that up. And a streak candles click on green. So 5 minutes.
Yeah, I know.
5 minutes and streak are green, so that's quite bullish, at least for pullback. It's not retracement, it's pullback from the drop on Friday.
What's interesting to me is that I thought with the banks releasing we'd be pretty bullish, to be honest. But
wait till Tuesday, maybe Wednesday, Tesla earning or after Tesla earnings, then they will start buying.
Is that aftermarket when Tesla reports it? Of course it is. Yeah, they always want to do that shit.
But I love it. I told you.
Market.
I told you how to trade it. It's the best way to trade it.
How?
Put the order below or above. Depends if you buy as long or buy as short, or if you got 2 accounts, on one account below, the other one above, the low and high, and you will be filled in. Take 30-40 points and be happy with it. Don't try to catch the top or the bottom.
I haven't even been able to get 10 points tonight. Well, on it.
Oh shit! See, it's going so nice up. I close it, yes, much too early. But yeah, I'm happy.
But we
Okay.
were hitting resistance.
Thank you, go.
So his first job, his first task will be to
Yeah, the why I'm going to the very expensive box.
30 billion, more than 50,000 euros.
Now you can see some rejection up here on MK.
So that's his first order of business.
A little higher.
A very slow process.
Oh, a breakout. That's not good. Over wire.
Also going to get the first stake.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I need to go make a coffee myself. Or, no, sorry, tea, because I will not sleep after coffee. I'll be back in a minute.
I don't know. I'm already pissed off. I lost all my accounts in the Asian session.
You lost your account?
All of them.
So obviously
Ow.
is the first thing.
I tried to trade on my phone.
I caught $200 on my funded and just stopped.
I haven't even traded my funded account. I haven't even touched it. I'm too scared.
Which one? The one with Apex?
Yeah, I have it already. I just need to pay for
I
it.
might actually just cancel my subscription with Apex. I hate Apex so much. It's not good. It's with the 10 minimum days, and then they have a max. First they have a minimum days, and then they have a max pay, or like a max payout you can get for the first 3 months. And for me, it's like only $1,000. And like, what the fuck?
Really?
Yeah, it's so think about it. So it's only 2 payouts a month that you can do, and I can max withdraw $1,000. It's only $2,000 a month. I mean, like, what the hell is that? And it's 10 minimum days between each payout. It's not like 10 minimum days for your first payout.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about Apex. How I might cancel my subscription after.
I don't want to use them anymore. Again, I don't want to know them.
No, it sucks. It sucks.
They fucked me up. They fucked me up the way which I was trading so much. So.
No, well, I mean, I have a static account, but I'm saying like their funded account rules are bullshit too, because you can only request a payout really 2 times a month, and that's like forever. And for the first 3 months, my max that I can withdraw is $1,000. So really, I can only withdraw like $2,000, but I can do that and take profit trader in 1 day if I want. Like, I don't really care about the 100% that you get to keep, like 100% of your first $25,000 in Apex, because it'll take you forever to fucking get there.
Yeah, you'll never get the 3 months of the withdrawals with the account. You will need to do the micros, like 2-3 micros all the time to do not blow up the account.
Yeah, I know. I said I'm gonna get a payout, I think, for Apex, and then just cancel the account, because I don't want to trade 10 minimum days after every payout, and then only request like $1,000, because it's just not worth it. I'd rather just get like another take profit account and then be able to withdraw on day 1, or some other proper, maybe Top Step. Top Step is still 5 minimum days, but it's not as bad as Apex rules. Apex is the worst, probably. I don't like Apex at all.
I like the Top Step rules, actually.
I like them too. They're not bad. But Take Profit, like their funded account, like after you get the trailing drawdown, it's so nice, because you can just like keep withdrawing every day. Like, I mean, you can withdraw $50. Just like you can withdraw whatever you want.
Oh, okay.
And it's instant. Yeah, it's instant. It's so nice, and then it just goes to your wallet. So like right now, with the money I have in my wallet, I just like letting it sit there, and then I'm hoping to get like if I don't blow the account, a big payout to my bank. I'll just keep it in there until I, kind of want to withdraw it.
Well, I'm debating to buy more. I was, because Apex is so cheap. That's why I bought Apex.
That's why they do it though.
Yes.
They do it. It's so cheap, and they're like, it's so cheap, so let's just buy more Apex, and then you're blowing kind of a lot of accounts. It adds up.
I have.
Okay.
I'm on.
And people Star Texas and people, they don't care about them because they so cheap. They thinking, okay, I will buy the new
Yeah.
one. I will buy the new one.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I've already bought 46 accounts in
Holy
this summer.
shit.
Oh, in Apex I
That's
bought
more
much
than
more,
two.
so don't worry about it.
You bought more, Colton?
Over 2 years, 2.5 years, yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay, we've got the bearish divergent, but I wouldn't short it yet. I will wait for the London to grab liquidity from the top and then I will short it.
No, it actually looks good for longs right now, Colton. A little
For long?
pullback.
Why?
Because we need to go higher to drop. But
We need to go higher first before we can drop. So if you want to get anything, it would be a long. But I would wait a little.
yeah, we didn't move anywhere. The night was really shitty. So that short and we going here.
I guess I've been trying to go short since Adam caught his trade, and I've been trying to do that, and I got stuck on that.
I don't even look at Adam's levels anymore.
Adam trade is still no, it's not in. Its stop loss was 84
Yeah. Oh, I thought it was 87.
or 87. Okay, then he's still in. I thought it was 84.
But yeah, he was what, short overnight? Is that what you're saying,
Yeah.
Colton? He's gonna get taken out in this London session.
He got
For
out
sure.
He went in at 75.
What?
He went in at 75.
Oh, yeah, he's gonna get taken out, I think for sure. Oh wait, did we hit 87 or no? Was it close? It was close. It was
no,
like
85. 85.
85, yeah. I mean, so Adam's still in right now, but I used to do that. I used to leave trades like overnight from Asia until when I didn't trade London, and I'm never gonna do that shit again because I always lose.
You cannot sleep properly. You're thinking about the trade.
No, you can. Yeah, no, I agree. I couldn't sleep. That was the worst fucking sleep of my life.
It was like you was waking up and checking the phone, probably.
Checking the phone. Yeah, that was me. That's literally, yeah, that's me. I check the phone all the time.
It's pretty much everybody.
The only time I'll tell you where it's nice is if you get your first TP during Asia and then you can leave it overnight, and then I've had some times where that's when you don't give a fuck if you lose, and that's when you wake up and you got like an extra $300, $400. That's when it's nice.
Yeah.
When you're risk free going overnight, that's really nice. But if I'm holding a position, I can't do it. I can't. It's too hard on me.
So the account when I was when it took my 12 points, I am $145 on green. I closed my long on 85. I didn't want to wait.
Yeah.
But on the other account, which I didn't took that trade, where I took the gold short, which I closed just now. I got only one contract on oil open still. I am 2,340 green.
Nice. That's very nice. That's very nice, Colton.
Yeah, it was a good night. And it looked like that shortly. Actually, I'll be closing oil.
So Adam was talking about in his video about the wicks. I didn't know. I just updated the wicks on that premium too. And he mentioned like wait till they come off and then entry like when the wick is red. So would it be wise to take a short now because the candle that just finished?
No,
was
don't
red
short.
wick?
I wouldn't short. Colton, what do you think about shorting right now? I think
I waiting for the London Open going higher and then I will look.
Going higher, exact. Don't short yet. Do not short.
You are minus 800, Star Texas. Can you?
Yeah, I am. Minus 800.
Don't add it to your, or at least wait for confirmation that the shorts are happening. You got open in
Yeah.
6 minutes, and because we're moving down, don't mean that it's safe enough to just jump into the trade.
THG, Tom, is potentially looking to list their My Protein business over in US.
Red candle on the 1 minute.
Okay, red candle, and
And they have seen
there is a gap on the open, and everybody waiting for this gap to be filled, and till
What
now,
gap?
until now,
Oh,
till now they didn't prove you that the gap was filled only after the London session, or like a few hours after the London session, or even they was waiting for the New York to fill it.
is ingenuity.
Ooh.
Other companies to trade their products via their website. It's a lot of activist pressure there.
I don't give a care about these few points usually it's dropping.
No, it's a good place to go long, actually.
Of course, spending the past hour was with us, walking us through some of the key market themes. Mark, currently, European futures points are very much
Oh, for fuck's sake.
There's plenty more.
is VIX open already?
No. VIX
Not
is,
yet, right?
VIX is open 10 minutes after, 12 minutes after London Open. Now I can buy the gold.
I went long at 67, but then I pussied out when the gray stick candles turned on. And I got out for a $10 loss. It'd be up like 3 points right now, but whatever.
Ultimately, we're a people business. A lot of what my job is the company is to give those people sort of motivation to take
What's the Frankfurt low?
to housing department, do their best work, to housing
I don't know actually.
Frankfurt low is
53.75.
you are a business leader.
Frankfurt low. It's 15,153.5.
I like the reading
153.75.
to see the work that we're doing when we pitch the piece of the business often when we come together.
Let's see, view up.
In the seat of the client, what's the client going to think when they see this work? Are they going to be excited? Is it going to turn their brand around? How's it going to resonate with their consumers? So it's much more like what they're trying to play that role.
I went long at 67, Colton, but I got out for a small loss.
View up was nice entry. At 63, 64.
63, yeah.
If you buy off view up, you got a quick reaction, but I don't have any interest here. What the hell? Gold. Just
We have a sell on the 1 minute.
top the drop.
So you think it'll go to the 190 and then drop?
I don't know if you'll drop, or maybe accept the price there and will go higher. I want to see what's happened around 96, 200, if you can go there. Ideally, I not planning any short. I planned a short earlier today and they fucked me off on it, so no shorts for now for me.
1 minute.
A few minutes ago until the start of Cash Equities trading. Welcome back to markets today. I'm Annie Edwards in London with Tom McKenzie.
And here are your top stories. President Biden may visit Israel in the coming days alongside Secretary of State Anthony Blinken. who met with Arab leaders over the weekend. Gaza continues to brace for the US has held back channel talks with Iran, warning against escalating the Israel-Hamas conflict. Egyptian President Sisi says Israel's response exceeds self-defense for more aid to Gaza.
who I am.
And Poland's opposition looks to be on track for a majority. It's an election upset that could end 8 years outside the European mainstream. And of course, it is the focus and the concerns around potential escalation in the Middle East, but for now, cautious optimism, it looks like in these markets on the work that's been done on the diplomatic front.
Yeah, absolutely. We're seeing the shuffle diplomacy by Anthony Blinken, and what can that achieve? How much can that limit the spillover of this and the dreadful developments that we're seeing take place in Gaza already? How much can that limit the impact of that? So that is something that is driving futures over in the US. Asia, though, responding a little more to Friday's nervousness and the higher energy price that we've seen coming through during Friday's session. So MSCI Asia Pacific down 0.9%. Japan, of course, taking a bit of a hit as a result of the higher oil prices. S&P futures, as we mentioned.
So would you go long at the big what?
No,
Or
not
did
touching.
you go long?
I'm not touching it yet.
We're seeing bonds being sold and therefore yields going higher. And this is the Brent price, $90. That just underlines how far we rose on Friday's session.
European futures pointing the gains of between 0.2 and 0.4%, the biggest upside being flagged for the cap bonds. Over to you.
Okay, so the back roll at 0.4%, expecting perhaps some gains coming through on the London market as well, given we have seen oil prices, even if they're off a little this morning, they're substantially higher than they were at the start of last week. Checking on the FX markets, given we're just seeing the opening of European trade, the euro is stronger, the pound is stronger, and the dollar index is a little off this morning, and that just speaks to Tom, what you were saying about that slight little bit of respawn in markets today. But Mark gave us important context around that, suggesting we need to bear in mind just how at the end of last week and the expectations going into the weekend.
Oil, good that I close you.
So all of that said, there is room, it seems, for some of these currencies to rally against the
When
US
did
dollar
the
in the very short
fire?
term. Waiting to see.
God, it's so cold as shit in my house, in this house.
Yeah, I've got the same here.
It fucking sucks.
The sovereign bond story is pretty uniform then in the US and also here in Europe, but even more pronounced in the US at the long end of the curve once again. So we're seeing if we do manage to put aside geopolitical concerns, even just for one morning here in Europe.
Hey, let's see what it wants to do here. London open. Oh, it's already open.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's open.
Oh, I missed London open, damn it. By 2 minutes. Mm.
Just one sector then in the red so far in the session this Monday, and that's utilities down about a 10 or 8%. Every other major sector in positive territory. Basic resources are standing out with gains of 1.5%.
What the hell? Oil is so liquid.
The price rally, of course, around Brent WTI last week, and of course the sensitivity to geopolitics, energy gaining 90%.
I was shorting it earlier. I cannot just jump it so easy on oil contract trade.
For example, Bank of America later this week, whether or not that is a linkage into the banking system and the banking sector of Europe is questionable, but no action soon gains across that sector, 0.7%. So it's a positive picture across these sectors again, with all the caveats around the geopolitics across the benchmark in Europe gains so far 0.3%.
Okay, let's get some breaking news across the window terminal then.
So we hit the low of Frankfurt.
Italian network. This had broadly been foreseen, but worth making a mention of this. Private equity bid then for telecoms infrastructure in Italy. KKR, we understood back at the end of last week that they were ready to submit this binding offer for Telecom Italia's phone.
Okay, I'm long.
In what would promise to be a game-changing deal for the ex-monopolist looking to slash its massive debt fire. This is
Where?
I'm long 56. Oh.
Well, I don't know where to. I can't get in there.
Don't worry, I'll be out soon. It's a quick scalp.
I don't know how to do scalps.
Ooh la la. Yeah, YM never drop
Alright.
is at the high. Just keep it because
Oh wow.
maybe you'll retest the high.
I took it off already for 10 points with a mini.
Okay.
So, but yeah, it looks good for the longs until the highs. You're right. London's got me into a fucking scalping mindset lately. But it's not bad though. There's nothing bad about it.
Come on, you will take 4-5 trades for 10 points and you are done. You don't need to do more.
Oh, I need more. Need to stack that wallet up.
You want
I don't know
more.
how
You
to
don't need
trade
it. You
scalps.
want it.
Look at that. That was
How
a
did you know where to
perfect.
get into the scout? Like, how do you know you're gonna get 10 points?
You never know.
I mean, you don't know. I don't know. I'm just playing the probability of it. I'm just thinking. Okay, we have 4 hour. I just got in based off the 4 hour close. I used the 4 hour as an entry. It got 10 points. I mean, I could have easily gone against me. I was thinking if we hold 4 hour, we're gonna come back to the highs. So I still think it's bullish right now, but I just took the 10 points. We can come back to 90 and I could get 30 points, but I don't really care to hold it that long. So I'm just doing a scalp.
Come on, YM. Go higher.
And also just look at what we did. We just grabbed liquidity from Frankfurt and now we're gonna go higher. Guarantee. Look at exactly where we stopped, 51. I mean that's
Yeah, and I was gonna go
Frankfurt.
long there because that's usually what happens. I usually take the long at Frankfurt, but with all the losses I've had today, I just
So far, not really, because have a look this way. We didn't break the Sydney. We didn't break the Frankfurt. So actually, there is indecision still.
Yeah, there is, but we're more bullish than bearish right now.
Yeah.
So Texas, you can't think like that because that's what stopped me from all my good trades, to be honest, are after I would say losses. I would say I'll lose throughout that day and then I'll have one trade that makes me so much money that makes up for everything. Like you can't think like that obviously, but if you get scared of taking the trade after losing, it starts to get into a bad habit because that's when your fear and your FOMO kind of will start to kick in, if that makes sense.
yeah.
Colton, what do you think about that?
Yes.
Not.
I don't care about the
Yeah.
previous trade. You need to forget the previous trade.
Yeah. Just take the right setup. If you lose, if it's the right setup, well, then you lost. If you win, great.
Mm-hmm. Well, I'm not supposed to be trading right now. If my setup is not, it's ranging.
Yeah, so this is good for me and Colton, but not for you.
Because I have a trail stop on the 3 minute for both sides. So.
Mm. Yeah, Colton, I got a pretty good exit on that long.
Yeah. Yeah. YM tried to make the new high. They wicked new high and they drop. And this is when NQ reject. And I've got some sell signals.
I don't want to go short though, not yet. Like it's a really bad area to touch right here, to be honest.
Why? Because
Long
that's a
work.
4-hour close?
Yeah, one
Yeah,
of the reason.
yeah, that mainly for me, it's kind of just tells me to stay out. Because
And
wait, no, go ahead.
when Asian opened, and we were on the expensive box, so I was shorting, and it was just going no and negative, and I'm like, oh my god. So
So
that's how it
I
started.
get two sell signals and
I did go short too, Start Texas at Asia, but I actually got 6 points off it. But I mainly didn't short because of I put on my contrarian candles. I like them. They're telling me
Well,
not
I
to.
have the contrarian candles, but I used that what's his name's candles. I had it set up that way, and I needed to take it off. So I didn't have any of the white candles on, and I had some yellow ones, and I was like, I don't remember what to do with the yellows, and then I said, why am I not getting any white candles? And then I did the reset on the candles, so I don't know his settings anymore because I took them off.
Mm.
Yeah, I like the contrarian candles too. I will either stay in my trade or I won't get in. But during Asian session, I didn't have any white, and then when I reset it, I saw them, and I was like, oh my god.
Yeah, that's what made me stay out at the first initial move of the shorts is the contrarian candles. Okay, Colton, looks like they're going lower.
We got a trailing stop printing, 3-minute one, on a 1-minute time frame. So they will be fighting for the retest of the high.
So we have a 3 on the 3. We have a bull and we have both.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
got both.
so that's why we're ranging probably.
On the 1 minute, I don't have anything. You have something on the 1 minute?
Yeah, at 33.
You do?
Yeah. At 34.
Where?
Here.
Why don't I see that? Let's see.
Yeah, look like YM is really stronger.
Oh, that's the bullet. Okay. So we may touch 34 and it'll go up.
Oh,
34.
Then go up.
there is liquidity in oil. The rest is just moving because need to move.
34 it could be a good entry, yeah, for long.
Yeah, because if it doesn't break it, then I would go long there.
I don't think so. Will go as low. 40.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm staying out of this. I love the 4-hour, but I also hate it because then both of the teams are fighting for this area.
Yeah.
So
Now with the bullish divergent. How nice it was. This was a bearish one. We drop. Now we got the bullish. We'll see if they will go up. 30 points drop. Could catch it.
good that you cashed your contract.
Yeah.
I mean, you could have gotten what, 10 more points? No, make like 8, 7 more points.
No, it wasn't a point. I closed it because I didn't see it doing anything more.
Yeah. That's what I did at Asia last night. I was so fucking pissed because there was too many, and I still got profit, but it was $80 profit, and then it ran 20 points. I would have had $800. I probably would have just been done for the day.
Again on 51.
It does look like we want to go higher, but it's getting dragged down.
It's getting a little bit too silly.
So this would be like a pullback right on the 1 minute to go short.
Yeah.
Because it's under 50. The pilot line's red. All the candles are on the bottom.
Yeah, it's red. POC is here. Does reject us. Let's see.
We're seeing a little bit of relief in markets today, given the flurry of diplomatic activity happening over the weekend and the extensive.
Okay, could go short at that 200 moving average too.
So as we saw risk aversion on Friday, today we see room for a little bit of move higher in risk assets. So let's turn to another political story in Europe. Polish equities are.
Oh, when it comes back to 200?
Yeah, I think so.
Being 63. 64.
66, yeah, around there. 65, 66.
So indeed, it's a massive asset for the ruling party, or just that has been in power for
So slow, my god.
They're on course to be
ATR is 6.6, but the price is not moving.
That's actually pretty high for London, isn't it? 6?
Yeah.
I just saw that. What the fuck?
You've got the big candles, but they staying in a range.
Actually, 6 ATR is quite a lot for London. What the fuck? Asia's like what? Usually like 2? If that, maybe.
Today was 3 to 4 even.
What was Asia session last night?
3, 4. It wasn't so bad. It was really this.
That's not terrible.
Yeah.
But look at the dashboard is interesting considering I think we've been pretty bullish. My dashboard says all short. I mean no order, but all short. That's the interesting thing.
But it was ranging earlier and it was bullish the session when it was in Frankfurt and Asia.
Oh, okay.
It was earlier.
So just
but I was still trying to go short.
It's the highest one ever recorded in its history. It's actually higher than in the first.
I'm trying to, with my trading, I'm trying to improve it by constantly looking when I enter a trade at as much things as I can because sometimes, not sometimes, a lot of the times your mind's gonna tell you, okay, if you want to go short, it will think about all the things that are lining up for the short, but you're not gonna be looking at the other side of it. Okay, what's telling you to go long?
Yeah.
You know. So that's what I noticed a lot with me too. Is I try to convince myself, okay, this is dashboard saying short, okay, but look at the overall structure. Are we bullish? Maybe. So it's hard.
Yeah. For sure. Especially when I lose the count.
Do you just have a 100 account with Apex now, or do you have a couple?
Nah, I just got this one. I lost the other 2.
You lost the other 2 also?
Yeah, long time ago.
Oh, a long time ago. Okay, I thought it was just recently.
Nah.
Oh, okay.
In September. I got them. I had them for like a week.
I lost a bunch of accounts in September.
Yeah.
Lost all my TikTok trader accounts in September. I went on a huge losing streak after my payouts. Fucking terrible.
So did I. After I cashed out on Take Profit Trader and got 1,000, I lost it too.
I've been to get 2 payouts with Take Profit so far, but I've only had it for a week. So
I got to get 2 payouts. I got one of 400 and then one of 1,000.
Nice. Yeah, that's what I got too.
And I lost it.
I have the 25k account though. It's the lowest one, so like the daily loss limit is kind of shit.
Oh, okay. No, I had 150,000 one and a 50k one.
You had 150k funded?
Yeah.
Oh gosh, that's so
And I
nice. I
lost
want
it
to
in
get
a,
that.
I lost it in the day.
The trailing drawdown is tough though with that one since you need to make so much. 9K is like
Mm-hmm.
yeah. Look at that drop! Wow.
So I'm waiting for the white candles to
Okay.
start. So Adam's still in his trade, right? He did 187 didn't hit.
Yeah,
He's so lucky. He was 2 points away from
I'm in
getting
long.
stopped out.
45.
Nice. Nice. That was a nice entry.
He got it. Did he go in long?
I'm in long.
Are you really?
My guess is because we just took out the liquidity, right, Colton, or no?
Yes,
We got
yes.
some-
Yeah, I had
You
a
got
limit order.
liquidity at two.
I put the limit order just above the box, so it filled me in. I could take few more points. It was 45. It's coming back to me. Let's see. But the reason of it was like the stop loss is below the box, so it's 10 point stop loss.
I don't like where we are though for the long, Colton. So I probably will not be joining this.
Okay.
This military action will involve the air, the sea, and the land, so that is sort of confirmation of what we have been expecting for some time. The focus now seems to be on aerial bombardment and also evacuating.
For me, I'll be waiting if we can pull back to go short.
Established again today, the third day that has happened. Today it's from 8 a.m. till noon, basically saying that they will these sort of main arteries of the road, so that's
Or at the 134 if it doesn't break on the 1 minute.
Yeah, that's why I didn't want to go long. Not yet. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Oh shit! What the fuck? Red candle too? What the hell?
Yeah. Okay, strict candles change red. So this is nice entry for long. Last time they changed for green, and it was end of the bulls.
But you just did the strict candle turn red.
Yes, I know. They're just saying opposite way today as they
Oh my
ranging.
god. So now they're white. Let's stay white. So remember when I told y'all, well, is this the place where we go short? The candle turns the wick when Adam was talking about his candles and he put the, what is it called? He put the premium to have the wick candle. So I put the premium for the 30-second for it to show the wick only on that one. So after we got to prove it, we got the wick with the red can at 153. I took 5 micros short.
Nice.
I mean, I'm at break even right now, but if I could get, I need $400 more to get all my losses back.
Fuck. This is like not a bad place to go long, but at the same time I want to.
Oh my god. But the candle just started turning white.
I am still in my long. Didn't fill me in yet.
Yeah. I want to wait a little. 34, good entry.
Well, it has your trail stop there, so if it doesn't break, I would take a long. Personally, the 3 minute just broke. The 3 minute bull just broke.
I just don't like that my strict candle is flickering on red.
Yep.
That scares me a little.
But that's good that
I would
they're not shining. Oh, a bit too late. I was on open yes as well, and I was too late with it.
Colton's TP is probably gonna be my my short entry if it can get there.
What
Are you
that?
just looking for a scalp, Colton, or are you looking
No,
for?
no. I wanna grab the liquidity from the top.
Oh, okay. You're
It's
looking
only one
for
contract.
Okay, you're looking for 40 points then.
Yeah, it's only one contract, so.
No, we haven't broken the trail stop to 41.75 yet. On the 3 minute. It's still there.
Colton, that looks like an iffy. I don't know. I don't like this area.
The pilot's still red.
But I think we're coming for. Okay, my entry actually will be here. It will be 35. Oh fuck. And
For a long?
the white candle just turned on for me, telling me not to go long. Motherfucker. You fuck. So there's a good entry at 35. We have the low of, I think, Sydney, Tokyo.
But not at night? We passed the mid box of Sydney. Just
Damn, I don't know if I wanna. I might have to cancel this fucking order.
They will be
unless
closing
we go
down.
to the low of the day is 120. Unless they're gonna close the gap. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm out.
I just need $350 more. And I'll be at a fresh start. Maybe. You see, the 3-minute trail hasn't broke. It's still there.
Yeah.
Alright, I took a $20 loss with that long. I got in at 35, but I was too slow to cancel the fucking order, and I saw the contrarian trader candles were on, so I was like, I'm getting out. If these click off for me, I'm going long 100% because I think we're just taking out in this low and then gonna go higher.
Okay.
Yeah, I'd be up 2 points. So not worth the risk though. That was good entry long at 30. Fuck's sake.
Time to six open up again?
When London opens.
Oh, it is open. Okay.
Okay, VIX is mixed because the cloud is red and the line is green. Okay, some members speaking, trade balance, nothing interesting to the US Empire Manufacturing Index. Oh shit, I'm going sleep now. That's so boring.
It hasn't broke. The bullish trail stop hasn't broke. So that's why I would honestly want to get it right now long. 34.25.
Yeah, I mean the long looks. I don't disagree. I kind of would like to go long, but that's why
the candles are still white though.
Yeah, that's why.
Previous daily close is not far. Just guys, wait a bit. Previous daily close is few points away.
Where is it?
120.
Oh. It's also the low of Sydney, right?
Mm.
The low of
the low of the day?
The low of Sydney.
The low of Sydney.
Yeah, is 120, yeah.
Oh, 118.25.
La la la. Just wait patient. Ooh, such a nice rejection on YM. An RT.
So
Yeah,
and Q.
and Q2 up 10 points.
That's fine. I wanted to go long, but I'm just gonna wait till they get out of this white candle.
I'm short on oil. Alexa, stop.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I need to go feed the dog. I'll be back in a sec.
I'm looking for 120 to go long. $119, $118. Oh, for fuck. Trade would have been up almost 10 points from my entry.
Yeah.
Damn. What the
I
fuck?
know. I guess I should get out of this short because they already came off the. I'm gonna get out of the short. I'm out.
Please tell me that the candles are still white for the short.
No, they're not white anymore.
Oh, but it flipped back red. Okay, I'll still take the short.
So what do you mean? Okay, I'm confused.
I have the strict candles.
Oh, I have the algo candles and they're red.
Yeah. I have strict candles and yeah, the strict candles on conservative did flip off of white, but they flipped red. So that what I've been doing some back testing this weekend over contrarian candles, a lot of back testing. I did a lot of replay and I noticed that when they click off from white, and if they're red but we're trending downwards, I still wouldn't take a long even as contrarian because it's showing you that we're still bearish. And especially if the strict candles turn red, I mean, sure, you can get the 10 points with the long, but it will likely keep continuing the trend. That's what I noticed. Same thing about if the strict candles are white the whole time and then they flip green, but we're bullish. We're likely going to keep going up, even though the candles clicked off doesn't mean to tell you the short.
Oh, like
So like the strict candle right now, the line is green, but the candles are red.
Yeah.
So I should have stayed in my short.
I mean, I don't think there was any reason for you to get out of the short.
I got out because what do you call it? Because they turned off, the white candles turned off. And then I also have an arrow on the 1 minute from the algo, the first algo, an arrow going up. That's been good.
Koltun, I'm looking short and targeting 120.
No, because you got prove it on everything.
Nah, fuck.
And dollar is dropping. VIX, I hope so as well, will start to drop now. Contrarian click off in nice area.
Yeah, it was a big old candle that went up.
Yeah. I mean, looking for a long re-entry too, not a bad idea.
So I'm gonna do.
Now the longs will be going for the top of the view up extension.
Where is that?
1 second. It is at 63.
I'm looking short at 57.
Ooh la la, oil, I love it. Go.
See, Sir Texas, what I'm saying. So like we had that red we had that white candle click off from red, right?
Right.
But
Right.
then we come 10 points down. So like this is something that I told you, like I was looking at the back testing, and when like I said, when we're trending downwards or upwards, if the contrarian candles click off of white but we're trending downwards and the strict candles are still red, I noticed not to take a short against the trend, or same thing like a long against the trend. I would wait for the strict candles to turn gray, and then I would feel good about going against the trend. But to me,
So right
this is
now
a
it just
signal.
turned red. Like, so there were gray, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 5 gray. I don't know, what
Mhm.
chart are you on? 1 minute?
Yeah, I'm on 1 minute. But I have strict candles. Do you have them on aggressive or conservative?
Bloody hell.
Aggressive.
Yeah, this was value area low. Didn't accept us and rejection was huge.
No.
I know, I should have stayed in my zone. I got out because of the white candle and it turning different. So I said it's going to go up. So I got out. So I'm not in anything.
Now I could maybe go for a long entry. Maybe. That's a maybe.
I will be taking profit on my oil, yeah, 190 bucks.
Yeah, looks like we're coming for Asia low. Okay. Oh, this is good entry long now. Especially if the candles don't click back on
They just
white.
turned white. They're white for me. Well, they're the contrarian candle. Man!
I told you there was nothing to tell you to get out of the short. I mean,
And
just
I got
because.
I got it at 50.
Mm.
From 78 to 50.
I'm really hoping we can just grab liquidity from this low and then just go for the high. That is really what I'm thinking right now. I don't see us moving lower than 120, but
there is no reason for them to go higher as well, so.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. What's the point of going higher either? We already made the drop. We already made the move, and the 23% fib fucking broke. Dude, that is just, what the hell is that? I think I'm filled. I'm filled long.
Where?
Oh, you motherfucker. You did not do that.
What?
Oh my gosh. It didn't fill me by... What? Didn't fill me by 1 point? Are you kidding me? Oh, I have my entry at 119. Oh.
So yeah, we stop at 120. And contrarian candles click on.
Yeah, they're on.
Oh my god. What a good entry too. Like no drawdown. You shitting me? Oh. That's actually so aggravating. I swear I saw it go lower. I saw it wick go lower on my fib chart that I was just looking at. I swear. Or was it no 120? Okay, tell me how this makes sense. On my fib chart, it's saying we wicked at 117.
I have 175.
Yeah, on my wick chart, it says we wicked at 118.
I don't know
but
why.
What the fuck? But on my other chart, it's saying that we're on 120.
120.25, yeah.
Yeah, what? Does anyone see that? What the fuck
Yeah.
is that?
Oh, but I don't know about
What?
where you got in.
Hello? What is going on? Yeah, on my 4 hour trade setup, it's saying we wicked at 120, but on my
What
fib,
symbol got you got? NTU continuous, MNQ or NQZ?
let me look again on my.
Either way, they're the same. I mean, the wick is
This is
a low of 119.75 on NQ, and on MNQ it is.
this is MNQ,
118.
but this is MNQZ actually on my fib chart, but that shouldn't matter. It's the same thing. It's MNQZ 2023. The other one's NQZ. So what the
No, but they
fuck
are
is
different.
that?
They are different. They are different though. NQ is at the low was 119.75.
Wait, so are you telling me MNQZ and NQZ are different by like on the ticks?
Yeah.
No, they shouldn't. They should
What?
be different on the weight, not on
No,
the price. I'll be back.
No, but the wick is different on that candle at 237. If you look at each one. Because I have it open because it reads different on the indicators as well. So on one screen of mine I have NQ, and on the other screen I have MNQ because the indicators even read differently.
Yeah, okay, yeah, like NQZ stopped at 119, like you said.
Yeah.
But on MNQ, that's so messed up, dude. What? The fuck? That's actually messed up. I have no idea.
So I'm going to take a long right here at 25. 5 micros. 20 points back. Maybe I shouldn't because, oh crap. Because there's still white candles. Breakout. We have a strong.
God, my trading view is so laggy right now.
On NQ we have a breakout, and on MNQ we have a strong. So the straight candles are white, and so is the algo. The algo is also white. So we shouldn't be getting in right now, right? Right, that's the correct thing to do, and I got in them long.
Are you in long right now?
Yeah, 25.
I wouldn't say it's a bad long, but
5 micros. Is that the contrarian candles are on the strict candles and on the algo candles?
I like the area to go long, but I don't like that everything is showing red.
And then we are in cheap areas also.
Yeah. I'm not expecting a breakout, so that's the only reason why I would go long against the strict white candles, but
we have a breakout in NQ. I hope it's a breakout. It doesn't.
Are you fucking kidding me? Again? Didn't fill me by this time like 0.70? Fucking A.
You had it on 20? What do you have it at?
19.
Oh.
Oh my god. What a joke.
It's gonna come back down.
Yeah. Then we can go up. waiting for me to fill before we go out.
It's not as safe as it was.
Oh.
Crime is clearly rising. I mean, it's not that good of a dark
Well, we have a breakout and we have a strong, so it might go lower.
But we got to be careful because safety is a foundation of everything. And so I know the current mayor is committed.
I want to see if the wick's gonna turn green like I did earlier on the long. I mean on the short. That's what I'm waiting for too.
Ooh, it's
On my
going
new
lower and
video
lower.
episode.
Yeah, Colton, I'm looking for longs.
Okay.
I know South Texas is in long right now. I'm waiting to get filled. I just don't like that everything's signaling we're gonna go lower, but I like the area, so.
We're in shorts. We're in inexpensive area, cheap area.
Okay, let's see.
Damn you and Q for fuck's sake. Second time now. God, that would. Colton, I was 0.50 away from getting filled.
I open long on ES.
Long on ES?
Yes. It's filming at 30, at 62.
Oh, come on. Come back down and fill me. Come back. Come back. Oh, come back down and fill me, please. That would have been my 10-point scalp right there. Another $200. More than $200. Oh, fucking hell. Been a nice almost 600 up on the day if that was the time you filled. But
Well, we don't have a trail stop anyway, no more for the bulls. Anywhere.
Oh, he's not going anywhere.
No, but I'm worried because the trail stop's gone.
That's strange. Nothing is not going
There
anywhere.
you go, south. There you go, south.
It's a free fall. Like nothing is not going. VIX is
I
not
know, but he was
moving.
trying to
Dollar
get
is
fill
not
it, but we
moving.
see.
Price is dropping.
There you go. You should have been filled.
If you wanna be still filled, yeah. Fuck.
I think I'm gonna get out of my trade because it's still dropping.
Was hugely significant, of course, and some described it even as US launching some kind of economic war against China, given the restrictions on tech around chips and semiconductors. Is this just fine-tuning then, or is it more consequential, and what are we looking for next in terms of potential next steps from Washington?
Sure, Tom. I think at this point, maybe a bit of it is fine-tuning, but, as we were just talking about...
Okay, US didn't touch previous day close yet, and just close the gap. Ah no, US didn't close the gap yet.
I got out of my thing. I got out because oh my god.
US got so far to close the gap.
I'm out of my long.
That's good.
I'm at 504 of a loss.
markets they can find.
Okay, Jill, do this in Hong Kong, the latest in terms
South, did you get filled?
some of these restrictions on chip
Did you-
technology for China. Thank you. Let's get to some of the other top stories on the Bloomberg terminal today. New Zealand's voters picked a centre-right government to manage the mounting economic challenges in the aftermath of the pandemic. Coalition talks have begun, with Christopher Luxon set to become the nation's new prime minister after his national party won the lion's share of the vote in Saturday's election.
It's only NQ closed the gap. The RTY didn't close it, ES didn't close it, YM didn't close it. So we will be dropping. But NQ is very cheap already.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. And why I took a long, but I lost $200 because it hit me 20 points.
Jobs in the third quarter, bringing the firm's total severance charges for the year to $650 million. On the call with analysts, the US bank said it's cut about 7,000 positions so far this year. Their layoff charges recorded so far don't yet.
Maybe I'll just wait till price comes back up to
We take a look at some of these stories driving today's European equity section and other
54 and I'll take a short because
Okay, yes, it's very brutal today, and that's nice. I am on green again on ES. I was on minus 150 and I am on plus now, 25.
The annual prize money pool in the LPGA tournament has grown 50% since 2019. In 2020,
and I'm back to where my entry was at 25.
but the prize fund still
Oh.
remains far behind what men compete for on the PGA Tour.
So Texas, you never know what price you will do.
Of the money list.
It can reject us
I
even
know,
more
but-
now. So
It took me out at my 20 points.
Well, we also been digging and saying, okay, what's the difference?
okay, VIX is dropping.
And what did you make last year? I've asked Matthew the home builders many times to say, okay, tell me where we are exactly during the middle of the season, at the end of the season. That 100th player, our goal would be to obviously have that player make considerable amount of prize money. And
I had a long at
having said that, we need to
120 and I went away for like 5 seconds and then I got stopped out for a minus $200. Fuck's sake. That's not funny.
Yeah, you know.
I did too. I got stopped out with $200 negative.
I was just saying that only NQ closed the gap. YM, ES, RTY didn't close the gap. They are far away from it.
You help us create a fund that will allow our players to get to the first tee ready to reach peak performance.
Okay, so you're moving around there quick. Starting with your fancy hands. He's in trouble, man.
Yeah.
What did you get up to this weekend?
Just sort of art stuff. A lot of chess. I was practicing for you. I know you're pretty good. Yeah, I don't play that. Alright, we'll take this. Over here.
Not cool. Not cool. Alright, I will.
For 154.
Got me, dude.
Very good game. Well played. Thank you.
Okay, so let's check something.
Whoa, stretch candle or the contrarian candle just flipped off though.
What did you say about that? It's red now.
Yeah, it's red, but I like
That's a
it.
perfect entry for long from the golden zone for
Yeah.
NQ.
I think I'm gonna go long here.
And the target is 220.
Discussing the demand for loans isn't really picking up substantially because all of that ties back to the weakness in the real estate sector. So the muscle of the day is an unpacking of some of the consequences, the ripple effects by shooting rents.
Okay, I'll give another stab at the long at 119.
As commercial real estate wobbles, investors are starting to worry about private equity. and that is very much the case in China. And she talks about just one example. Ping An,
Wow, what the
which is a
hell?
subsidiary of the giant financial firm Ping An, which is an insurance, largely insurance business, but also has a major stake in HSBC as well. She says what Ping An Real Estate has been doing over recent years, along with many private equity firms in China, is taking stakes in real estate assets, and that is coming back to haunt them. They've seen yields shooting up by about 30%. They've got debt that they can't manage, so a debt pile where they have
I know.
about half of it. So the question is, do they get bailed out? Do they get bailed out by the parent company? Or
I should have added to my position right there.
overseen some of these subsidiaries just let this burn, and if that happens, the consequences.
Don't want to. Just going in with one mini.
So she is putting a spotlight on the fallout.
You went long?
Yeah, I don't like it though. But yeah, I'm long.
And Eddie, there are things to talk about when it comes to China, and Tom just set us up with that. But I wanted to focus on the geopolitical themes to start with. We're witnessing, the terrible things, terrible scenes that we've seen over weeks.
I don't know. It's moving pretty weird. I don't like the way it's moving.
Geopolitical tension then certainly to the fore at the end of last week. We thought perhaps it was sustained a little this morning, but now we're flat on US futures and European stocks.
Yeah, so the commodity markets were definitely much more of an epicenter for even the activity.
So US reject 50% of the move on Friday.
For escalation and not a lot of places to trade in, so people were taking some money off the table. We see that come back.
They can go a bit higher before the draw.
No longer as uppish as it was on Friday's earnings. So we're seeing a little bit of just putting some of that risk back that people took off the table on Friday.
What is your assessment of the measures coming through, the reported measures in terms of the tweaking and fine-tuning of some of these chip restrictions from the US, the geopolitics between Washington and Beijing, as we know both sides seem to be edging closer, maybe, to a meeting between the two presidents later this year?
You know what? I think there's a real chance that this comes back to the agenda with on a big scale, because as we approach a US election next year, we're still a year out.
We've got a continuation of breakout.
Upping the rhetoric against China tends to be a vote winner. So I think that this is something that's going to come back to us as we move into next year. For the moment, it seems that both parts, China and the US.
Yeah, that's really like just the free fall from algos, because the VIX is flat, dollar is in the same range, not moving. It's just few bucks up, few bucks down.
Look, I think China is still looking for ways to stimulate.
Only oil is making some decent moves where you can scalp 200 here, 200 there.
Trying to stave off inflation without any major moves.
Okay, Eddie Vanguard from our Markets Live team walking through some of the key market themes for us today. Remember, you can get up-to-date analysis from Eddie and the rest of the team. Just go to MLIV, go on your terminal. European futures down 0.2%, US futures, S&P E-minis are flat, NASDAQ futures down about 0.8%. That is it for markets today. Stay with us though, more coverage up next. This is Bloomberg.
Oh my god.
Dude, my fucking trading view chart isn't loading. What the hell? I can't even see. Oh my god, I hate trading view. It's so bad.
Yeah, my one will just refresh on everything on the other PC. Don't get any why.
Okay. Nope.
constantly within which we could lead the charge of air travel into a post-war.
Oh fuck! I don't like this long at all, but I'm gonna keep it.
What's your stop?
10 points at 110. It's moving so weird though.
That's what I said.
It's just looking like it's faking everyone out for the shorts, to be honest, to me. But then again, no, I think we can go. I think we're gonna go. I think we can go a lot higher. Koltun, what do you think?
I don't want to touch it. I'm just open a small contract on ES and I'm happy with it.
That's a good idea. Don't touch NQ. Don't fucking touch.
I've got long on ES and that's it. I had a long on gold, but I closed it and start to go higher now.
Yeah, I'm already down. Way over what I was earlier.
So just leave it and go sleep. Wake up in the morning for you, and then you can oil. Yeah, this is what we should trade today. Just oil. Very nice moves. As you can see, view up extension to the view up extension, view up extension to the view up extension.
What the hell? I should have just stayed in my original shorts.
Good morning, everyone.
Oh my god.
Those are the conversations that matter. Here's what's coming up on today's program. President Biden is said to be weighing a trip to Israel as Secretary of State Antony Blinken returns for more talks as it relates between Israel and Hamas, where Gaza continues to brace for a ground offensive amid a humanitarian crisis. Diplomatic efforts to contain the conflict are steadying markets, with European stocks flat, U.S. futures edging a little bit higher, and oil slipping after falling 6% on Friday. Plus, Polish stocks rallied with the country's
72,250, yeah.
majority after Sunday's election. Now, the results, of course, denying the ruling nationalists a third term, steering the country back into the European mainstream. Now, let's take a look at the European markets map. We gave you a nice snapshot of exactly what's going on.
What did Adam say? Adam said something else. What is Discord? Oh my god, he sees it going to 15050. 15050.
Another 60 points.
If something were to escalate, you probably also see it here. This is a two-day chart. You can see 5.3%. When I was in Marrakesh talking about these IMF meetings, a lot of the folks on the fact that the price of oil, despite everything that was going on, had held up and not shot up by $10 to $15. Now, President Biden is, we understand, said to be weighing a trip to Israel, adding to the U.S. diplomatic push. Meanwhile, Israel troops continue to amass near Gaza.
Yeah, yes, and why NQ, they are very, how to say that, they are very, very heavy, because the other indices, they not trading us.
U.S. troops in combat in this new Middle East war. I don't think that's necessary. Israel has one of the finest fighting forces in the country. I guarantee we're going to provide everything they need.
Well, it's one of Bloomberg's older approaches in Tel Aviv, as well as Bloomberg's Ross Matheson. So thank you both for joining us. Oliver, what's the latest actually on the expected Israeli ground offensive?
So, Francine, we know hundreds of thousands of troops that are sort of standing ready at the Gazan border in the south here of Israel. There's an evacuation corridor in effect today, as there was on Saturday and Sunday, from 8 a.m. until about an hour from now, which is basically the Israelis saying that they will not bomb key arteries for the civilians to move from the north of Gaza down through the south. A task which many of the aid organizations say is completely impossible without great human suffering. We're talking about the displacement of about more than 1 million people, and according to some estimates from the Israelis, 500,000 to 600,000 have already moved. And that's as 2,600 are dead, according to the Palestinian figures, and 1,400 Israelis dead, mostly killed on that Saturday, just over a week ago. And the issue in Gaza right now is the inability to get aid in, which is one of the main issues on the deterioration on the ground. No water and electricity, which are a very limited supply. The focus, though, has also moved to the north, where there have been more skirmishes on the border with Lebanon. We also understand that the Israelis...
What a drop.
Yeah.
Kilometers off of the Lebanese border. And that
Adam's number is 15050.
yesterday we had some of the senators, Chuck Schumer, Mitt Romney, among 5 of lawmakers that were here in Tel Aviv to give a press conference giving their full support to Israel, a press conference that was delayed by air raid sirens.
Yeah, when we break 0.90, that will be interesting. And my gold is going higher.
Olaf Scholz may try and get there as soon as tomorrow also. So a series of very high-level visits potentially, and that's all about doing several things. One is potentially simply to try and deter a full-scale ground war inside Gaza. The more senior officials...
Yes, trying to close the gap. This is why.
...diplomacy in the region and trying to urge actors like Iran, obviously, not to escalate in the event of a ground war.
Still have a lot.
Which is happening in the north of Israel.
Just half a gap is closed.
Real concern if there's a full-scale ground war inside Gaza, that will just pull Iran in, and then you've got a regional conflict.
Yeah, and also we know that the US Secretary of State did stop some Jordan, Bahrain, Qatar, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, and even to the Arab Emirates. Do we know how those went?
So what Billiken has said is that a lot of the talks were very productive, particularly with the Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman. We do not have a huge amount of detail in terms of the sort of concrete outcomes from there, but we know that the focus was on 3 things. Was 1, reducing the sort of possibility of escalation and spillover. 2 was aid, and then the 3rd was the hostage situation. On the hostage negotiations, obviously all of that is kept very, very quiet. We understand there's a lot of back channeling going on. On aid, there may have been some progress made on the Rafah entry point to Gaza, which is on the...
Yeah, 80 points. Nice drop.
There may be aid that they'll be able to eventually come through there, and also foreigners that can come out. And we also understand from some of the Egyptian ministry that they're preparing for an influx in their hospitals of Gazans potentially. And then the question of escalation really is...
Ooh, I got filled short at 15,100.
On the one hand, trying to talk down Iran and trying to back channel with these sort of Arab leaders, but then also on the other, trying to give the full support to Israel while at the same time cognizant that how Israel goes about chasing after Hamas and trying to dismantle Hamas is going to have a huge impact. We saw countless protests of thousands and thousands of people across the Arab world and even across the world entirely. And this is something that political reality that the Israelis need to be very conscious of, and certainly the United States needs to convey in some way to the Israeli leadership.
Yeah, and Ron, at the same time, as Ali was just mentioning, they're increasing attacks from Hezbollah on Israel's northern border. So what's the right way to... We know we have an insight into some of these back channels between the US and Iran, what could have been silent, what could have been real.
It's just very interesting the US has publicized these back channels. These are things that generally do not get talked about in a public forum. It very much, again, reflects that growing sense of, like, where are we headed with all of this. But what we can see is the messaging to Iran from the US, from others, which is that we very much do not want this spiraling outwards. Israelis would not go into Gaza to occupy it, to stay there. They would go in to try and destroy Hamas and then leave again and very much try and keep it contained. But you can see the rhetoric from Iran. It's rising also.
Breakout on yes.
Egypt in all of this. So they're a very heated environment. Iran is saying, well, hang on, if you do this, we might be compelled to do that. Do they do that directly? Do they do it through proxies again through Hezbollah? Either way, it's going to get very, very messy potentially. So what the US is saying is very publicly, we're engaging Iran. We want to talk about this. We hopefully want to keep it on a more even keel.
Well, where's China in all of this? Do they have a role to play?
Well, that's very interesting. The US is also publicizing its efforts to get China to engage with Iran, saying that China's got some cachet with Tehran. They can help negotiate. They can help keep things on that lower boil.
I cannot believe this. Look at it just, oh my god.
Phone calls with the Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi, repeated phone calls it seems even, and again urging China today.
Okay, so what I've been listening or hearing is that when the contrarian candles turn off and they click off, it can change direction. So
Yes.
when would be the correct time to get out of our trade if we were already in the short when the
But
contrarian candles
Sir
turn
Texas,
off?
but have a look today at contrarian candles. They was on, they was off, one candle on, then off, then on again. So you see today it's not the day to trade them this way.
Yeah. Well, what I've noticed, Colton, like I said, with the contrarian candles, is that so for me, if they click, they just say straight candles were red, then they click white, and then they click off from white to red, and we're trending down. I should have been taken along. That should have just kept saying to me, okay, we're still bearish, but they just clicked off for a second.
Yeah.
That's how I like to look at them, because that's what I've noticed that looking at other days is that when they click off but we're trending, it keeps going down.
The Reichstag does send that because, first of all, it's an energy manifesto. So, so it transforms.
You took a first TP or you took open only one contract short?
It uses all the technology to produce something.
No, I just had one mini, so
And there's a public building. That's sustainable. It's a symbol of a city. It's a symbol of a nation. It incorporates.
for this one I'm playing the breakout. I'm expecting us to go forward, but
Which, as I mentioned earlier, is the ultimate in sustainability. If you can get a new life within it. It also creates public space at the roof level. It is the most visited parliament in the world, so it puts the public above the politicians who are answerable to them. And that, of course, was made possible by the politicians. So it's a demonstration of democracy in action.
I don't see anything until 15,060. So
Yeah, Adam has 15,050.
It could be because ES will be dropping till ES will close the gap, as NQ have a bigger swings. NQ already gone higher and gone lower, so close the gap. But will be dropping because ES is dropping. There is no.
I actually longs at 15,060. That's the previous day low. Those look nice.
It looks like I won't take any more trades. I will stay another for like 5-6 minutes, and for me this is the area where we're supposed to reject it. 90.
But there's what is there to reject here though?
The 786 fib, and there was a market structure box, but it looks like they not rejected, they will go lower. So I'm not joining shorts because I wanna come back later. Definitely not opening long here.
It already has nudging up a little bit. It's nothing huge, but if it goes up a little bit more elevated, does it change the case for interest rates actually? So higher for even longer, or even higher than we're expecting?
I would have been getting 100 points right now at 78.
So why you close it?
Because I got scared because the contrarian candles turned off.
And
So-
now you're looking for the reason to go long when they are still wide.
Oh my god.
In a second there will be like a huge 12-15 points candle down.
What?
They just building orders now. The way which price movings look like they're building orders.
To go lower, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We just closed value area low from Friday. That's nice. I like the shorts.
Yeah, the short looks nice. Entry could be at 12% fib, which is 15,100. Take it down to previous day low.
What 15? But you already got in at the 15,100.
Yeah, I know. I'm saying if it comes back up, I'll add to my position. There we go. Yeah. Koltun was spot on. I took this one on my Apex. Sorry, I'm almost 400. So yeah, I mean, I'm gonna be obviously I'll be taking some losses because I'm doing new candles with the strict candles, but like I said, that's what I've noticed back testing over the weekend is that when you're trending up or down and you have the candles click off from white to green or white to red, but we're trending, that doesn't tell you to go against the trend and it doesn't tell you to get out of the trend either. What I've noticed is that once the strict candles turn gray from white to red to gray or from white to green to gray, that could signal a better entry for the long if we're trending. On ranging days, it's different.
Well, now we're trending, but
Yeah.
I wouldn't even know what to get in short. That's the thing. It's still just. So would you add to your position at 15,100?
I probably won't, but this could be a good entry short. A re-entry, I could say, for me would be. If it gets there, even. Sir Texas, how much did it cost for you to reset your funded account with take profit when you failed? What?
I said you don't even want to know. One time it cost me 380, and the other time it cost me 700.
700? How did it cost you 700?
Double the amount of the first one.
To reset my funded account.
Yeah.
Right? Because I the first time I had it, I did another rule that I had equity in there, so it was a difference to equal up both times it was to equal up my 3,000 whatever money I had to put in there. You can't So the more money you have in there from your profit or your your cushion that you're supposed to keep in there, you have to equal the difference if you lost some of that to reset it.
Mm.
And I was so like, oh, I can do this. I reset it. I'll just make the money on day one and recoup my fee. But no, it didn't work out that way. So yeah.
Okay, WMA is in order for short, bearish reversal. But
Huh?
0.90 look like wanna hold. I will see.
The conversations that matter, the insights you need. This is a pulse. I'm talking about
Okay, well, I guess I'm glad I didn't use one of these Apex and I didn't use my funded account, so at least I didn't use there. This one
Colton,
I'm
this looks like a re-entry short though.
I'm not taking a shot,
really.
I told you, but I don't wanna take a shot now. I will be looking for re-enter the market on New York. Because I will need to stay and look for the shorts. If anything, I will be looking for opening along now. 0.90 hold the price, but I didn't want to open it, and now I've got actually confirmation. In 30 seconds, if the candle close bullish, then I will have confirmation of bullish. Come on. Okay, I'm long.
You're long.
Yep.
And the strict candle just clicked off.
They're red.
They're great.
What was your entry?
Excuse me?
What was your entry for the long?
101. I just...
The wick candles just turned the wick. Oh man, I was gonna say the wicks just turned green on this candle right here.
Pilot line is at the end already. That don't look too good for me.
What doesn't?
The pilot line from the pullback is at the top. We didn't move anywhere and the pilot just fly up. Come on, go. Give me 6 more points and then I don't give a damn about you. So I open for contracts.
Oh my god.
The wick, the wick stay green on this candle. So this is that other thing Adam was talking about. So
We're trending though. Look at all the WMAs are in order.
Yeah.
This is I might look for another short. I got out of my short on my Apex account for just a $30 loss. Because I didn't like that the contrarian candle clicked off from white to red.
Come on, go, go, go.
is, again, Iran's already in the market, so where is your incremental source of supply outside of OPEC?
And this is again speculation, but if there were something.
Colton, this looks like though we're just coming up and then gonna make a new low.
I know. I've got the 2 contracts at 12.5, so just a bit more than 2 points. The 10 points, sorry.
The sanctions on Iran, and there's European sanctions and US sanctions as well. So the only country that can buy Iranian oil is actually China.
And
That's what makes it tricky.
third one, I wanna take it if this will go at 140, and the other one I don't care. I'll leave it.
Are actually thinking more about long-term stability and supply and making sure that they have enough inventories. I think the West
Come
is a
on.
bit short-sighted about this, and I think that's where the discrepancy lies.
Is there a case where actually the price of oil drops from here?
I would say yes, of course. I mean, not at current prices, right? I think current prices are low enough, especially inflation-adjusted prices.
I got in long at 104, but because the wick, when Adam posted that new video about the wick, I just tried with that. So when I put a little bit short earlier.
500 secure. That's nice.
And I only have 5 micros and I'm at break even. But I have a ways to go to make up all the losses that I had today. I'll probably blow this account anyway, so I'm not gonna worry about it.
Texas, don't have approach like that. With the approach like that, you won't go anywhere. You cannot think that you will blow account. You cannot open the trade just for the sake of opening it. Please.
No, I opened it to try to recoup some of these losses.
I know, but why are you saying you will blow the account if you not?
Because there's only $400
because you're not sure about the trade which you're opening, so you need to be sure about it. Or you need to manage the contracts now the way to give you the money. If your drawdown is taking you, so secure them as soon as you can, because you can lose the trade. Just try to play smart. As we told you at the beginning, because Apex got the cheap accounts, don't give this advantage to them and don't give your money to them.
Colton, what a long there.
0.90 was my entry, but I was really like, I lost one trade earlier and I wasn't sure about it. So yeah, this is why I entered a bit later. 11
Bears don't look even now. I don't like shorts really.
Why? Everything's in order for a short.
We need to break 12. If we break 12, I am happy.
For shorts or what?
No, for longs. At 40, it's my
if we break. We are above 12. What do you mean? If we break 12?
It's the 22, not 12. What am I talking?
Oh, 22. Okay.
The 3-minute has 180 for the
VWAP was red all the time, and I don't know why it was looking long earlier.
Look at that 245. At 245 this morning. If I would have seen that. Damn it. Well, no, I got in a little bit after that anyway, but it didn't break the trail stop on the bulls on the 3-minute chart. And then, I'm sorry, for the bears at 245. So the wick, I got into the wick candles, the wick being green, and that's going off of the V2 premium add-on on the 30 seconds. And I have the 30 seconds 50.
Okay, so we testing 22, that's good. That's really good.
Told you about the 15-minute with the long and the short. So I see this going all the way to 182, 15-minute WMA, and then if we reject that again, then it'll go further down. So I can also take a short at 15182.
Oh, it's 50 points away from here. That's very visual for my logs. Thank you, Star Texas. Session view up. Okay, going to the view up extension at 60.
President Biden is said to be weighing a trip to Israel as Secretary of State Anthony Blinken returns for more talks as
60 is upper green feed and view up extension. I don't think so.
Where's the VWAP extension at, Colton?
160. Exactly at 158.5, where is the Sydney Tokyo opening range high.
Mm.
Colton, when you went in on 90, did you go in because you had the TP from the algo, the first algo? Or
No. What was happened? We was tired here with the bears, but the bulls, they didn't build anything properly, and I entered here at 100. Yeah.
That buy signal, is that the new one that y'all are testing?
Yes, this is the new buy signal dry testing. But the other nice thing was you got on oscillator, string oscillator, even before the buy signal, it changed blue.
I have a question. I'm on the 1 minute chart too, but my candles are still red. Yours are green.
But I've got different candles. I'm using the candles from the search.
Oh. Okay, no, these are the algo candles.
Come on, yes. Okay, that's a not nice thing now. Yes, testing the middle of the channel. And don't want to go above it.
It's not only the war that Israel, it's not only against Hamas. I think it's more than that, and we should get the full support.
We understand that Secretary of State Blinken wants everything to de-escalate.
That could be nice entry short from 130.
That the U.S. President will soon visit Israel following an invitation by the Prime Minister.
Why at 130?
The bulls are tired. And yes, testing 50% of the channel from the market structure, and we staying below of it.
Do you know more about the exact reasons why President Biden was invited and why he's considering such a trip amongst hostilities?
Yeah, we have an answer on the market structure at 125.
If we break it, we are bullish, but if you won't break it, then this is entry short. And you just doing what the other index is doing now. There is no own strength in it.
We are focusing, as I mentioned several times, on eliminating Hamas and its capability.
Ambassador, Secretary Blinken says it's critically important how Israel goes about pursuing Hamas. Do you think a ground invasion of Gaza will provoke a second front of this war?
We hope not. We are ready for everything. Right now we are focusing on Hamas. This is the goal. This is the aim.
Okay, 1 minute change green, 1 minute, if we will go higher, 1 minute we will grow above 5 and we will be ranging. The WMAs won't be in order. but yeah, as we can see, value area is just a little bit higher, and we start building orders here to bring the value area towards here.
You think we're building orders to go short?
Yeah, they will be bringing value area here.
Yeah, and then we have that triangle from that first, the TP, right?
Colton, you don't think it's a good area to go long here?
Definitely I wouldn't open long here.
What?
My TP is at 40, so I've got a few reasons for TP at 40. One is value area low. Second one is there is a market structure box. There is a storyline, and a view up is at 150. So there is no a huge chance to go much higher. They can go a bit higher, but I don't know how much. Only will go higher if we're really bullish, if we finish the move to the downside for now. But ES didn't close the gap. YM RTY2.
We are looking into it, of course we are looking into those, but for the meantime, the strong support, understanding what happened there, the atrocity that Europe saw, that we faced, and Europe saw, I think that the implication of that is strong support for the state of Israel. There are some others that try to counter this, but as for the meantime, we see many strong support from leadership and as well as from the street.
All right, Ambassador, thank you so much for your time today. I'm going to give Israel's ambassador to the EU and to NATO. Coming up, the U.S. is said to be planning to further tighten curbs on China's access to advanced semiconductors and chip making gear. We get the details.
Now I get a green candle. Oh, never mind. On the 1 minute.
Okay.
Never mind. It turned back red. The cloud is green. The evidence line is green. My premium, I just need the 3 minute to turn green.
Market structure on NQ drop as well. We're testing it now. It's at 33.
That what? What? Oh yeah, the market structure. Yes, I see that. You know, on NQ it did, but not on MNQ. Just to let you know. For whatever reason. VWAP is still red.
Yeah, we're below it. Okay, I will get my second TP.
Where's the VWAP?
150.
What? 150, 150? On MNQ.
Come on, 7 more points.
175 for NQ.
That's a strange area for prove it. I wouldn't like to see the rejection here.
I don't have to prove it, but okay. And I have them all checked off.
Okay, I'm moving the TP to 150. And a stop loss from the contract to 110. So we'll be 10 in profit. 9 in profit.
Now, China's central bank is making the biggest medium-term liquidity injection since 2020. This comes as the PBOC steps up efforts to support the nation's economic recovery and debt ceiling. Now, the move comes as Beijing considers a new round of stimulus to help the economy reach the official annual growth target of around 5%. Now, the U.S. is said to be planning to further
Start
Okay.
Texas.
restricting
Yeah.
access to
So say like for the take profit trader for the funded account reset. Say you like so say the 50K or the 25K account or whatever. Say you like get a withdrawal and all that stuff, but then you come back down to the original starting balance. You know
Then
what they would charge for that?
that's what you would have to replenish.
Oh, the whole 1,500.
Yeah,
What that? What's the point of that?
because you're going to have that cushion in there.
Oh.
Yeah. So I attempted because I lost because I don't remember what I did, but one time it was like 400 and the other one was 7, and my thought was, oh, just pay this. And believe me, I did ask Koltun, and he said just buy more account, but I didn't. I spent 700 and reset it, and I lost it anyway. So I don't recommend doing it. I could have bought 7 more accounts, and then the 400.
Plus in October there is no activation fee. There is no activation fee in October.
Well, yeah, now, but
That's kind of dumb. That thinking is kind of dumb that they would like who would pay 1,500 or 3,000 and reset a fund account?
Yeah, my 150,000, my 150,000 pro account, I need to pay them. I think it's $3,100 to reset it. Now, come on now.
You might as well just put that own money in your live account. Like what?
Yeah.
I don't know what they're thinking with that rule.
You see, the short's looking good from 30.
I'm thinking about getting out of this long and going short. But
don't flip, because if you go long, you'll be, I
know,
was this long.
Flipping gets me. Flipping, I lose a lot more money.
Alright, I have to go. I'll be back for New York session.
Okay, me too. I'm just gonna let this one run.
Okay, see you guys.
If I get taken out, I get taken out. I might break even.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.